We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so consider subscribing and make sure to stay tuned. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, in British English it is said as eternal. Eternal, you do want to stress on the second syllable. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as eternal. Eternal in American English versus eternal in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.